Imagine standing at a crossroads. In front of you is a decision that could change your life. A new job, a new relationship, or a dream you've wanted to chase for years. You take one step forward, then you stop, and you ask yourself, what if I fail? What if I make the wrong choice? What if there's a better option? So then you wait. Days become weeks, weeks become years, and before you know it, your greatest opportunities have disappeared. Not because you weren't capable, but because you never gave yourself the chance. Here's how overthinking quietly steals your life. Not in one dramatic moment, but one delayed decision at a time. The strange thing about overthinking is that it feels productive. It convinces you that you're being careful, responsible even intelligent. But there's a difference between thinking and overthinking. Thinking helps you to solve problems, but overthinking creates problems that don't exist. You replay conversations that ended yesterday. You imagine arguments that never happened. You predict disasters that may never come. Your mind becomes a storyteller, inventing futures that feel so real, your body reacts as if they were already happening. Your heart races, your stomach tightens, stress takes over, not because of reality, but because of imagination. More than 2,000 years ago, a Stoic philosopher named Epictetus noticed something remarkable. He believed that we aren't disturbed by events themselves, but by the stories we tell ourselves about them. Think about receiving a short text that simply says, okay, from a loved one, or even a girlfriend or a boyfriend. Immediately, your mind starts asking questions. Are they upset? Did I say something wrong? Are they losing interest? Hours later, you discover that they were just busy. Reality lasted 1 second. Your imagination turned it into an entire story. How often do we suffer over things that never happen? Our brains evolved to keep us alive. Thousands of years ago, assuming danger was often the safest choice. A strange sound in the bushes could mean a predator. Today, most those predators have changed. Now they're job interviews, relationships, public speaking, other people's opinions. Your brain still treats uncertainty like a threat, but uncertainty isn't danger. It's simply a part of being alive. The biggest cost of overthinking isn't stress; it's inaction. You think about the opportunities you've missed because you wanted the perfect moment. The message you never sent, the idea you never started, the chance you never took. Many people spend their lives waiting to feel ready. The truth is, almost nobody ever does. Confidence doesn't come before action, it comes because of action. You don't become confident by thinking about life, you become confident by living it. The controversial philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche believed that growth begins where comfort ends. That means fear isn't always a sign to stop. Sometimes it's a sign that you're standing in front of something important. Every meaningful decision comes with uncertainty. There are no guarantees. There never were. That's exactly what makes courage possible. So the next time you catch yourself spiraling into endless what ifs, ask yourself one simple question. Am I solving a problem or am I just feeding my fear? If your thoughts kept going in circles without leading to action, you have already got your answer. Because thinking should move you forward, not hold you in place. At the end of your life, you probably won't regret every mistake you made. You'll regret the chances you never took because you were waiting for certainty. Life doesn't reward perfect decisions, it rewards the courage to make them. So stop wasting the perfect moment. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop believing you need every answer before taking the first step. Your future isn't built by the thoughts you repeat, it's built by the actions you choose today. Because while you're busy imagining every possible outcome, life is already moving forward. The only question is, will you move with it? Comment down below your opinions on this video. Comment and also critique the video, please. Like and subscribe, and I hope you see you in the next video. I try to upload daily. Have a wonderful evening, morning, or night, or midday, or whatever. But I hope you have a good whatever. See you in the next one. Bye!